So today we will concentrate on a date picker and time picker. So both these all are the different dialogues. So that we will see today. So when you want to select a date, time, so that we will use normally that picker, right? So that how to handle that picker one we will see here now. How we need to handle that demo that we will check here. Just a minute. This project is Android Studio is loading. Once it is loaded, we will open that last time project which we created for the dialogues. There we will see this. Let I'm closing this app. We will open our application so that we will see that. Yeah. So this is the one dialogue I have opened here. So this is the one, right? In this we done here. So for this, what we will do is after this now, after this particular button, now here we will add two things. One is for the select date, and other one is the display date. So both we will add here. So for that here now, I'm adding that next one. That is first we'll add an edit text. So edit text or text, we will display the text simply. That is the text view. So that in a text view, whatever the text it will be, we will display there. Just wait, it is taking little bit time. So meanwhile, we will copy this. So this one I'll change as text to view. So text to view. This one I'll change as the show date. So initial, it don't want any text, right? Then after that here, this will be below of this button, right? This will be here below of this button. Then this button, this will change as a pick date. So here also this we will write as a pick date. So I want to pick the date. Yes. Now here, so once this is done, now in this we will write. So meanwhile, this way will be load that we will see here. Now here, first of all, like I want to, while clicking that particular button, so we want to display that date, right? So for that here, now I'm writing that. That is binding. So binding dot. So that one I'm writing here. Pick date dot. So set on click listener. Set on click listener. So within this now, first of all, we required a calendar. So to set up the data here, we required a calendar. So that calendar I'm opening here. So that is a calendar dot calendar dot. So get instance. So calendar instance we are getting here date. Now where year. So first we want to get an year. So to get an year now, that above calendar dot. So get. So that is a calendar dot year. So we want to get an year is. Then so we required here like similar year we need a month. So that is a month. So that is equal to here. We will get a month. Then m day here. So that is m day equal to here. This is the date. Right, month, date, and year is right. After this, now once this data is available, from here now we will enable the date picker dialog. So to enable date picker dialog here now, where I'm writing that this is a one date picker dialog equal to. So here now I'm writing the date picker dialog dot. So that date picker dialog dot. So what we have to write for that? So we have to enable that first of all date picker dialog. That is with reference of this at the rate main activity, comma, date picker dialog dot on date set listener. So this we have to add this one. On date set listener, we have to enable it. So that is the on date set listener, we have to enable. So once we'll enable here, now it will be created like this. So it will be created like this. Here now, within this, the return type could be here. Whatever we declare that here, it will be here, m year. So that is the m year. M month, M day. So this will be here written. So for this now here, we want to set the data here. So that is binding dot. That is a show date, right? We have added show date. So for the show date dot text, we have to set the text equal to. So for this, what we have to add here now? So that here, this is the one. First, I want to display here. Less the separation, I'll take this. Then month. So then day of the month. So day of the month. So this values I want to display here. So this will be displayed. Then here now, within this here now that we have to add that binding dot. Not binding, sorry. Date picker dialog dot show. So we need to show the date picker dialog. So I'm adding the date picker dialog dot show. That. Now I'm running this. We will see here. Wait, it is running. We will see once it is running. Something it is. Okay, not running. Let's see. Now I'm selecting this. So I'm selecting this. So here it is displaying the date here like this. So whatever the selected, that one is displaying here. Right. So this is the date. But here now there is a one condition, like I want to display only older date or only feature dates. Like let us say I want to select the date of birth. So if you want to select the date of birth, it should be older date till today. It can allow. Right. I want a meeting. So that for that we will add the feature date. Right. So for that how we will add here. So that I'm adding here. So that is a date picker dialog dot get date picker. That is a get picker dot set max. So today is the max. Here we will write that set max date. Set max date, that is system dot current time in millis. So in case if it is like this, it will display maximum is the today's date. But why it is not coming? Get get date pick. Okay, get date picker. So it will maximum. Now I'm running. Now we will see. See, before that running here, now we will concentrate first here. How this will be now here. See, once I click here now, so it is, I can select fast, I can select feature. But now once it is run, how this will be here, now we will see that. See here now, see feature dates I cannot select, only past date I can select. That is a 1. And similar here, this is the max. In case of max here, if we change min. So here I'm commenting this. Here I'll change this as a min. So that what happens here? It will select only the feature dates. Not now currently we are selecting fast dates. Here like you can change fast date. Even here you can change the here also. See here also you can change like that. You can select here. But now in case if you go back, so that cannot be here. That we use to select here. We now here only we can select feature dates. See faster dates I cannot select. Only feature dates we can select like this. Right. So this is the one as the time picker, right? So date picker. We will see the time picker now. So for that, this will be here below for date. This will not modify. That's why that UI is coming different. No worry, that should be here. So these two again, I'll copy these two and will paste again here. This I'll change as a show time. Show time below pick date. This one is the pick time. This is the pick time. Then below show time. Done. Like this UI will be created. Now here we will add here now. So for this, it could be little bit different. Like say we will add that to binding dot. So that is the binding dot. So binding dot. That is the pick time dot. Set on click listening. Set on click listening. So within this now, here we have to save. We required here also the calendar. So where calendar equal to calendar dot get instant. Then after that here now we have to add var m hour equal to calendar dot. From the calendar here we will get that get calendar dot hour. It's similar var m minute equal to calendar dot get next here calendar dot minute. Then next var m second equal to calendar dot get calendar of second. Done. So now here similar we will apply that time picker. So for that here var time picker dialog equal to time picker dialog. So this at the rate main activity object column time picker dialog dot on that is on time set listener. So on time set is null. So here we have to add this. So here that return type could be here m hour, m minute, then seconds we want to get here. Seconds could be false here, right? So it has one predefined method. So this on time set listener, it has one method. Right now within this here we have to set up the type like that is binding that. Binding that show time dot set text equal to, so here we are getting right hour of the day plus column minutes. So minute here. So now here we have to add, after this here we have to add that one thing that is time picker dialog dot show. All right, now I'm running this. Now we will see this. It is launching. Now we will see. Yeah. Now pick the time. See here, I'm selecting the time 7:56. In case if I select here in a PM, so default selection could be AM, it will be displayed like this. Right. So this is about the time picker and date picker. Right. So with this, we have done with the dialogues. Right. So with this, and also that with this, almost we done mid-level of this has done. Now from here, we will enter into the next step that is a little bit heavy, that is the advanced level of this Android. We are entering into that. So that we will start from 2.
Okay, sir.